What's up, everybody? My name is Gaines and I'm with Bitcoin 2019, and today I'm going to show you how you can use your Bitcoin to purchase your accommodation for Bitcoin 2019 in San Francisco using BitRefill. BitRefill is a sponsor of Bitcoin 2019, and essentially what BitRefill allows you to do is purchase gift cards for thousands of different businesses using your crypto. And I'm on the homepage of bitrefill.com, and the first thing I'm going to do is very simply select to get started. From there, it's going to give me some categories, and I'm looking for a place to stay, so I'm going to select travel. And then I've got some more options. We've got hotels.com, Uber, flight gift card. I'm going to select Airbnb because I love Airbnb. From there, we've got different amounts that we can put on the gift card. So if you're coming to San Francisco, you might need more than $100 for your Airbnb. So you might have to make several gift card purchases. It does not take long. Select 25. It's going to ask me for my email address, which it's already got in there. I'm going to click continue. And then from there, it's going to give me different payment options. And I want to do a regular Bitcoin transaction. It's going to give me a QR code. I've got my phone ready with my wallet. I'm going to scan, make the payment, and then I'll check back in with you in a few. All right, and as you can see, my refill has been delivered, and I'm going to click this little blue button in the middle, and there's my receipt. Good to go. Simple as that. Can't wait to see you in San Francisco.
We look forward to seeing you at Bitcoin 2019.